Hello kids, welcome to yet another interesting chapter of science, that is fiber to fabric. In the early times, primitive man used to stay in forests and caves where he used to use leaves, fur, fleece and bark of trees to protect its body from the harsh climate of the forests. And in winter, it used the fur of animals so that he could protect his body from the cold climate. But actually, what he was wearing were not clothes, because that time man had not learned to cultivate the crops. Gradually, he started cultivating cotton, and then he slowly learned to weave it and wear it. Now, the cotton which was cultivated was actually fibers. So, this process from fiber to fabric goes like this, like fibers are twisted and turned into yarns, and from yarns, the fabrics are made. And the clothes that we wear are actually the pieces of fabric which are stitched nicely so that we can wear them. Now, what are fibers? All cloth materials are made from long, narrow, thin structures which are called fibers. Fibers are of two types, natural and synthetic. Under the category of natural fibers comes the plant sources and animal sources. In this lecture, we'll be mainly focusing on the plant sources, that is cotton and jute. Animal sources are silk and wool, and synthetic fibers are actually made from natural fibers, and using petrochemicals in the factories and industries, synthetic fibers are made. Some examples are nylon, polyester, rayon, terracotta, etc. Now in this picture you can see few examples of natural fibers and synthetic fibers. Now starting with cotton. Cotton is obtained from the fruits of the cotton plants, which are called cotton bolls. After maturing, they burst open. मतलब ये जो कॉटन बनाया जाता है कल्टीवेट होने के बाद उसके फ्रूट्स रप्चर होते हैं, और उसमें से वो जिसको हम बोलते हैं कॉटन बोल्स, जब ये रप्चर हो जाते हैं तो उसमें से वाइट फ्लफ़ी कॉटन निकलता है, और उसी में से फिर हम लोग फाइबर बनाते हैं. Now, which are the states in which it is grown? It is grown mainly in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh, Tamil Nadu. Which type of soil and climate does it need? It needs black soil and warm climate for its cultivation. Now, as I told you all earlier, that when they mature, they burst open and the white fluffy cotton comes out. Now, at this time, it is necessary to remove the seeds from the fibers. So, the process in which the seeds are pulled out by the steel combs is called ginning. Now this is the process of ginning, जहाँ से seeds को अलग कर दिया जाता है. After ginning, it is converted into yarn through spinning. So actually what is spinning? It is a process in which the fibers are twisted to produce continuous threads. लंबे धागे बनाए जाते हैं, यानी कि उसमें से yarn बनाया जाता है. Traditionally, the spinning was done using a charkha or a hand spindle, which is called takli. गांधी जी ने भी इसी चीज़ को प्रमोट किया था, यूजिंग ऑफ चरखा ड्यूरिंग द इंडिपेंडेंस मूवमेंट. ये भी आप लोगों ने पढ़ा होगा एसएस में. सो दिस इज अबाउट द स्पिनिंग ऑफ कॉटन yarn. Now this spinning into yarn. Now from yarn, there are two ways to make a fabric, either by weaving it or by knitting it. Now weaving is the process of arranging two sets of yarn together to make a fabric. मतलब इसमें दो सेट ऑफ यार्न्स की ज़रूरत होती है, एक हॉरिजॉन्टल रखा जाता है और एक वर्टिकल रखा जाता है, और इस तरह से वीविंग का प्रोसेस किया जाता है. एंड the second way of making a fabric is knitting. Knitting is the process of making a piece of fabric from a single yarn. इसमें एक यार्न की मदद से भी आराम से फैब्रिक बनाया जा सकता है, बट वीविंग में दो सेट ऑफ यार्न्स की ज़रूरत होती है. सो कीप दिस इन माइंड. Now, Next comes about the jute. Now here in this picture you can see a jute plant which is ready for the harvest. After harvesting उसकी stems को काटा जाता है, पानी में रखा जाता है ताकि उसके fibers को separate कर दिया जाए और उसके बाद जूट का बंडल तैयार किया जाता है. So let's study about jute. Now jute is called a golden fiber because of its shine. It is obtained from the stem of the jute plant. This also you have to keep in mind clearly that jute is obtained from the stem of the jute plant, and in cotton it is obtained from the fruit of the cotton plant. This jute is cultivated during the rainy season. Why is it cultivated during rainy season? Because उसको बहुत ज़्यादा पानी की ज़रूरत होती है कल्टीवेशन के टाइम पे, इसीलिए रेनी सीजन में इसको कल्टीवेट किया जाता है. It is grown mainly in West Bengal, Bihar, Assam, etc. This line is also important that it is harvested during the flowering stages. Many times blanks में ये question पूछे जाते हैं. Now, after it is ready for the harvest, the stem is left in the water for a few days to rot to remove the sticky substance and so that the fibers are separated. This process is called retting. मतलब स्टेम को निकाला जाता है और पानी में छोड़ दिया जाता है कुछ दिनों के लिए ताकि स्टिकी सब्सटेंस को अलग कर दिया जाए और फाइबर्स अलग हो जाएं. इस प्रोसेस को रेटिंग बोलते हैं. देन दीज फाइबर्स आर कन्वर्टेड इनटू यार्न. नाउ दे आर वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड डू नॉट ब्रेक. इसीलिए इसके जो जूट के फैब्रिक्स बनते हैं वो काफ़ी स्ट्रॉन्ग होते हैं. तो इसको हम लोग यूज़ करते हैं रोप्स, मैट्स, मैट्रेसेस, सैक्स, गनी बैग्स जिसमें गेहूँ, चावल मतलब ग्रेन्स को स्टोर किया जाता है बिकॉज इट इज़ वेरी ड्यूरेबल. बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग होता है जूट का फाइबर. So this was about jute. Now here in this lecture we mainly discussed about the plant sources about cotton and jute. Now history of cultivation. In ancient times cotton was cultivated near the river Ganga in India, and in Egypt it was cultivated near the river Nile. So this was about cotton and jute which we have discussed. You will have to read this chapter properly so that you can understand it more clearly. Here there are given some key points which you have to learn and memorize it. Hope you like this lecture. Thank you.